South China Sea. China claims everything is China. If you leave them, they will claim that the entire world is China, right? The same way, China claims that the almost whole of South China Sea is China's territorial water and creating problems with many countries like Philippines, Malaysia, Vietnam. Remember Vietnam purchasing BrahMos missile from India recently? Yes or no? Very good. So, the South China Sea. Let's see what are the countries bordering South China Sea. China and Taiwan to the north. Come on, check it out in your map. Don't look at my face. Come on. China and Taiwan to the north. Map of Asia. Yes? Did you find out China and Taiwan? Lovely. Vietnam, Thailand and Malaysia. And Singapore to the west. Vietnam, Thailand, Malaysia and Singapore to the west. Done? Indonesia and Brunei to the south and Philippines to the east. And this area is very rich in petroleum, and that is why China is trying to claim the whole of this area. Okay, and you can also mark some important island groups in South China Sea. One is the Spratly Islands. I don't think this map you could find out Spratly Islands. You'll have to take some other map. 72? Yeah. South China Sea, Southeast Asia. Take out the map of Southeast Asia. There, can you find out South China Sea and can you find out Spratly Islands? Yeah, very much in use. Paracel Islands. Okay, and the next important is the Scarborough Shoal. If it's not there, please mark it. The Scarborough Shoal. Spelling Scarborough. Scarborough. Shoal. Shoal. These are the important places which we have to know in this area. And can you find this line? What is this? This is the claim of China called as the 9-dash line. China says in 1945 map, I have a map which shows that the 9-dash line is part of Chinese territory, so I'll control whole of this South China. Right? So India can claim Ashoka's map. Afghanistan is also part of India. So it's our right to go ahead. Now this would create problems in the world. The Marathas, they controlled areas till Afghanistan. Okay. Shall we move ahead? The South China Sea is part of the Pacific Ocean. Very, very important. Right? Then, can you see that it connects to the Indian Ocean through which important place? The South China Sea connects to the Indian Ocean via the Strait of Malacca. It connects to Indian Ocean via the Strait of Malacca. And India, these countries like Vietnam, Philippines are inviting India to join selling and oil extraction in these areas. Because China is very aggressive. They'll come and hit your boats with their fishing boats. And thousands and thousands of fishing boats come and they enter the water, creating havoc. So India is being invited as a player to build infrastructure. Okay, next. The South China Sea is part of the Pacific Ocean. The Spratly Islands, Parcel, Parthas, Natuna Islands, and the Scarborough Shoal are the major island reefs. It is connected to the Taiwan Strait by the Taiwan Strait to the East China Sea. Now see, South China Sea, East China Sea. It is connected by the Taiwan Strait upwards. Can you see? So China and Taiwan. In between, you have the Taiwan Strait. So next, it is connected to the Pacific Ocean via the Luzon Strait. Find out Luzon Strait for me. Yeah, you can find the country Philippines. Above Philippines, can you find out Luzon Strait? Above Philippines. You can see it in the map of Southeast Asia. Luzon Strait. Done? It is connected to the Indian Ocean via the Strait of Malacca. So Indian Ocean, Strait of Malacca, South China Sea, East China Sea, Pacific Ocean. Luzon, Taiwan, Strait of Malacca. That's how you make a map and remember. Okay. Taiwan Strait, Luzon Strait, Strait of Malacca.